In front of me is OPPO Find X9 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or switch off auto brightness. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to tap on Display and Brightness available here. Now use this switcher next to Auto Brightness right under Brightness slider to either switch it on or turn it off. If you want to, you can also go into Tap menu by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen and click on your brightness slider. Once you do that, sun will turn orange. That means that auto brightness is on, but you can switch it off by clicking on your slider again until sun turns black. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!